If your team is constantly being out-negotiated, falling for the same tricks, taking too long to close deals, or struggling to improve contract renewals, then keep listening. What if your team could handle the toughest negotiators confidently? What if they could close favorable deals faster while maximizing profits? And that's exactly what I have helped many companies achieve. Organizations like Shapoorji Pallonji closed multi-million-dollar contracts just after a few sessions of my PowerFULL Negotiator Masterclass. And Encom learned how to increase their negotiating power, allowing them to save $1 million in the first month of attending my session. These are not just stories. They are the transformations that have changed the way companies operate. I understand the pressure your team is under while negotiating these deals. And when your team does not have the right knowledge and the skills, it is easy to get taken advantage of by more experienced negotiators. You may have tried other negotiation training programs that promised results but failed to make the lasting impact. But it does not have to be this way. Imagine a world where your team consistently secures bigger wins, bypasses experienced negotiators, and closes profitable deals faster without falling for dirty tricks or giving away unnecessary concessions. That's the impact my PowerFULL Negotiator Masterclass can deliver for you. After delivering over 2,500 sessions across 12 countries for more than 2 decades, I have seen the transformational power of a structured negotiation process firsthand. My training does not just teach negotiation. It empowers your team with a clear, actionable strategy that they can use immediately to negotiate confidently and scale up profits. I have worked with teams at ultra-luxury property developer in UAE who, after attending my sessions, managed to close deals worth 4.5 billion dirhams in just 12 months. The results are massive. It's not just another generic negotiation training. This is a tailored program designed to address the specific challenges your team is facing and deliver immediate results. If you are ready to see your team's negotiation skills transform, click on the link below. Schedule a free strategy call with me. We will talk through the challenges your team is facing, develop a customized plan to ensure their negotiation success. Continuing with the same approach means facing same struggles, long negotiations, unpredictable results, and missed opportunities for better results and profits. Is that a risk that you're willing to take? Now, imagine a different future where your team is confident, quick, consistently negotiating favorable deals that increase your bottom line. That's the transformation that you can expect with the PowerFULL Negotiator Masterclass. Don't delay. Book your free strategy call with me today. Let's elevate your team's negotiation skills to the next level. I look forward to working with you.